All right, how did we get those answers? Well, let's look at the first one. From f of x to g of x, the only thing that changed was the y-intercept. It went from a positive 4 to a negative 2. So if the slope didn't change, it didn't rotate at all, and it didn't reflect. So it's got to be a translation. And so from 4 to negative 2, how do we get there? Well, 4 minus 6 would be negative 2. So it translated down 6. Remember that the y-intercept is on the y-axis, so up and down. So translated down 6. For the second one, from f of x to g of x, what changed? Well, the y-intercept stayed the same in this case, negative 1 and negative 1. The thing that changed was the slope. And it didn't just change positive or negative, it changed the number. So it went from 3 down to 1/2. So it rotated and became less steep. It became a little flatter from 3, a slope of 3 over 1, to a slope of 1 over 2. So much flatter. So we said it was a rotation. And where did it rotate around? Well, when we're graphing these, it's going to rotate around that y-intercept. The y-intercept didn't change. So that point stayed the same. And the only thing that changed then was that slope. And so the y-intercept is going to be that point that it rotates around. So rotation around 0, negative 1. The last one then, we're going to reflect it. Again, we're not going to graph it. You will on your worksheet assignment. However, for these notes, we're not going to graph it. If we're going to write a new function g of x, when we take a reflection across that y-axis, we're going to take the opposite. So it becomes 2/3 x plus 2. And negative 2/3 x plus 2 will give us that reflected function.